In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute your videos automatically whenever you're playing them on Facebook. So if you normally scroll your Facebook videos and then they are playing the sound and you like to mute them so that you only unmute manually. Currently, if I go to videos here and then look at that, they are automatically playing. And I don't want this to happen. So to mute them automatically, it is pretty much simple on Facebook. Just head over to your menu icon here, displayed by your photo, and then tap on it to open. Under this, tap on settings icon, displayed by this settings gear on top here. If you tap on it, now scroll down until you get to preferences option. Under this, you can see we have the option called media. Go ahead and tap on it. And if you scroll down under autoplay, you can see we have quite a number of settings that we can choose from. And we have a setting here called video start with sound. And because it is turned on, that is why these videos are starting with a sound each and every time I scroll through them. To turn it off, go ahead and toggle this off, and that is done. Now, if I go back, and now if I scroll through other videos, you can see they don't play any sound as they used to. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.